With a taskbar period style, you can easily customize the activity group taskbar or the selected activity. Specify color and fill pattern. Type in your texts to assign to the taskbar or acquire them automatically by choosing from the available variables proposed in each field. Also customize only the selected taskbars. The taskbars added afterwards will assume the same style as defined with the general taskbar style. Activate the period taskbar style with the option as shown in the Format menu of the taskbar's local menu, or with a double click on the taskbar.